Today we are showing a technology to improve pin in paste process to secure 100% hole fill and 100% quality by using metal chips to add to the solder paste printed. This is all surface mount on tape and reel and comes in different chip sizes: 01, 02, 04, 03, 06. We can even make bigger if this is a customer request. The technology is used the way that the paste is printed onto the printed circuit board. The preforms are placed onto the board. Just touching the paste is enough, because when melted, the capillary force of the solder paste will pull in the metal and add it to the solder joint. This is all done in the SMT process. Machine is placed in the contact and then it goes to reflow. Usually it's a very big problem with thermal pads that all the solder paste that are printed create a lot of voiding. In this specific example, we have a thermal pad with a lot of via holes inside, which also contributes to the voiding. And today we will use a preform to add to the solder paste, which consumes most of the flux and reduces the voiding with up to 20 to 25%. The technology is used this way that the paste is printed on the pad, the preform is pushed down into the paste, and the components is placed on top. And it fills out the thermal pad with 100% metal under, reducing the voiding with 20 to 25% compared just with solder paste. These preforms comes in different sizes, with flux or without flux. And it could be custom made for different components and different pads. I'm holding here is another example of preforms which is used for thermal transfer. This is soft metals that could be compressed and be used instead of thermal grease or thermal gels. And as metal are the absolutely best thermal transfer material, you can compare with a grease which has a transfer about 2 to 3 watts per meter Kelvin. These products here have a thermal transfer rate of 86 watt per meter Kelvin. So you can understand how efficient they are to reduce heat in your products. These can be custom made, custom shaped, and in custom thicknesses depending on your product. If you have any questions, take contact with RENEX, and RENEX will help you to design the absolutely best thermal transfer for your product.